Crunchy Fat Clean friends, I'm sharing my favorite plant-based, eco-friendly, all-purpose cleaners. So you just put them in water and spray and clean. I love Sal Suds by Dr. Bronner's. It's unscented. So for my clients that don't want scent, this is a great all-purpose cleaner, and it gets an A rating on the EWG, which is very, very good. Dr. Bronner's also makes Castile soap in various scents. I love the peppermint. You can use it in the shower, wash your body and wash lots of stuff. It's great. My personal favorite, Thieves Concentrated Cleaner. It's a blend of 5 essential oils and several other plant-based ingredients. It smells like Christmas, smells like a spa. I use it on everything. I absolutely love it so much. This is my favorite. And it gets a B rating on the Environmental Working Group. So that is very good too. I also like Myers Clean Day, the peony scent. I love the floral. It does not get that great of a rating compared to the other ones, but I love it over Fabuloso or Pine Sol. It gets a D rating, but it smells so good. And I also love Pure Evergreen. It's a hydrogen peroxide made by a cleaning lady who started making her own cleaners. It smells great, not on the EWG, but it is peroxide, so it's a great disinfectant.